These are the Stylecraft Pro Instinct, a professional vector motor clipper with intuitive torque control. This clipper comes standard with a gold titanium vapor blade, high power vector motor, adjustable zero gap blade, 4 hours cordless runtime with lithium ion battery. Comes with a customizable click or freestyle lever. Comes with 3 customizable body kits, candy paint red, royal blue, and matte black. Also in the box, it comes with a charging stand, an outlet charger, 8 white double magnetic guards, and a bag that has extra screws, cleaning kits, and different interchangeable levers. And last but not least, a USB charger. YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. We are back at it again. I know it's been a minute since I did a clipper review, but we are back, all right? And I got another clipper in my arsenal, and it is the Stylecraft Instinct, man. These clippers right here. These are the ones, these are the truth, these are the truth. Let's just start off by looking at the design. Now, when it comes to the design of this clipper, to me, I'ma just go like this. This clipper looks like Will Smith in the Wild Wild West movie.
No.
With the see-through glass where you can see the mechanics and the way that it runs. It gives a real old school type of mechanic. Where are you going with this? Type of futuristic, I'm not following. It's like what the past would be if they were trying to predict what clippers would look like in the future. I see what you did there, but I will just give you a pass. And that is what I'm getting here. You got the gold power button right there in the center. I love the 3 different colors that the clipper comes with. They give you a choice on the lids. You got the red, black, and you also have this kind of blue color, and it definitely accents nice with this gold blade, the gold lever, and just the gold border that it has around this glass here. Overall, man, these clippers definitely look nice. It's something that you would want to grab on your station. They definitely did a good job on the design, period. So the Stylecraft Instinct clippers come with this cord, and if you plug it up, the light will turn blue. When it's done charging, the light will completely just stay that blue color. That way you know it's charged. Let me give you guys a sound test just on what they sound like compared to the Fast Feeds or the Andis Masters. First, let's start off with the Andis Masters. Now, the Fast Feeds. Now, I'm just comparing the sound just to give you guys a general idea on, you know, a clipper that you might have at your station. You know what I mean? Just comparing the sound. This, it's not too loud. It's not louder than the Masters, and it's not as quiet as the Fast Feeds. It's right in the middle. Now, one question you guys might have is, does these clippers come zero gap straight out of the box? The answer is absolutely not. I don't think any clipper comes zero gapped, or at least I haven't come around a clipper that's just zero gapped fresh out of the box. I always zero gap all my trimmers, all my clippers, just every clipper that I come across. I always do my little modifications. So all you gotta do is basically unscrew these 2 screws right here, loosen it up just a little bit, push this blade down, and just make sure that it lines up with the cutting blade. Once you do that, screw it back on tight. Make sure, screw it just a little bit just to make sure that the blade doesn't shift, and you're gonna have to do that to each screw. All right, just tighten just a little bit, make sure that everything is lined up, and just tighten as you go. That way you can lock it in and your clipper can be zero gapped. Now, if you guys been following me on TikTok, Instagram, you guys seen me use this clipper. I filmed multiple full haircuts using these. I had these clippers for a whole 2 months. I was one of the first ones to get this. The first rendition of this product that I had, the other one kind of got too hot. I'm gonna be honest with you. It got way too hot to the point where I would touch my client's back of the neck or anything, you know what I mean, on the side of their face, and they would twitch and I would feel the blade and it would be extremely hot. So I hit up Stylecraft and they sent me basically the newer versions of them, and they get warm, but they don't get extremely hot like the other ones did. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys me cutting with them, how they cut, how they take off bulk. Stay tuned.
Where you get your beats?
Alright, you guys, so you seen how they cut nice, alright? So let's just get into the pros and the cons. Let's start with the cons, because I know a lot of people just want to get into the negativity, alright? That's mainly what this is about. People want to say, what's wrong with the clip, okay? One problem that I do have with this clipper is that it gets warm, alright? Now, this one gets warm. The other one, like I told y'all, that was the first generation of this clipper. That one got hot, alright? To where I couldn't even use it on a full cut. So that's one of the cons that I have with this clipper, that it gets warm, but the later versions, they don't get as hot to where you can't keep cutting with them, all right? So that's one con that I have with this clipper. Another con that I have with this clipper, let me see if I can find another one. Let me see if I can search and find another con here. You guys see a con over there? No? You guys see a con over here? No? Trying to find the cons here. Just wonder where the cons are. Does anyone know where the cons are? Just one con. Just one? All right. That's the only con that I have for this clipper, is that it gets warm, all right? It gets a little, you know, the temperature gets a little up there, but other than that, man, this clipper is hard. You need this in your arsenal. The way it feels in your hand, look at this. You can barely see it in my hand. The way it feels, like I ain't got nothing in my hands right now. I can feel the texture. Flight, I ain't wearing gloves, bro. I'm not wearing gloves. The ergonomics, nice. The fact that you can hear the hair being cut when you're cutting, nice. That crackly crickle sound that you love so much when you're cutting, it has that. The way the lever ticks when you switch and when you cutting and maneuvering around that head, and you got to open that lever up and close that lever down, the way it sounds, nice. The fact that it looks good enough to where you would want to pick it up, that's to me important as well. The pros on this clipper, I could go on and on and on and on and on. The fact that you don't have to sit here and still look like you have that same blue clipper. You could switch it up and put the red one on. You could put the black one on. You could switch up the colors if you're getting bored with what you see. This clipper right here, I'm telling y'all, and I do not hype. I do hype when it's hype worthy. Let me take that back. I do hype when it's hype worthy, and this clipper right here, you will not regret picking it up. I promise you. This is something that you need in your arsenal. You see different influencers out here with it. I ain't the only one hyped about this clipper. Let's keep it real. I faithfully use it all the time on my Instagram. Just scroll down, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm juiced. I'm pumped. Right here, right now, you could pick it up in the links in the description below. Barber plug. Put your code 360 Jeezy in that mug and get you some percentage off or something. Something's gonna happen. Pick you up one today. It's worth it. But that's it, you guys. That's my review on the Stylecraft Instinct. I have the trimmer as well. I will talk about that on the next one. Listen, in the description below, pick it up. I'm I'm trying to tell you. You ain't hearing me. You ain't hearing me. Y'all ain't hearing me. I'm out. Peace.